Discovering the world through landmarks and clues. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of language and navigation, understanding the phrases, landmarks, and clues. These terms help us not only in physical navigation but also in our journey through language learning. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets behind these words. Landmarks refer to recognizable natural or man-made features used for navigation. They stand out from their surroundings and serve as guides. In language, landmarks can be seen as key concepts or terms that help anchor our understanding. For example, in learning English, knowing keywords or grammatical structures can serve as landmarks to guide us through complex texts. While landmarks are fixed points of reference, clues are more subtle. They are hints or pieces of information that lead to a deeper understanding or the solution to a problem. In language learning, clues might come from context, word prefixes or suffixes, or even tone of voice. Recognizing these clues can help us infer meaning, understand idioms, or grasp subtle nuances in conversation. Learning to identify and use landmarks and clues can significantly enhance your language learning journey. Here are a few tips. Identify landmarks in the language, such as common phrases, idiomatic expressions, or pivotal grammar rules. Look for clues in sentences or dialogues to help with comprehension. Pay attention to context, word order, and connectors. Practice regularly. The more you engage with the language, the better you'll become at spotting these landmarks and clues. Let's see some examples. A landmark in English might be the verb to be, which is fundamental for constructing sentences. Knowing its forms provides a foundation for building more complex structures. A clue could be the suffix ed at the end of a verb, indicating past tense. This small piece of information helps you understand the timing of actions described. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of landmarks and clues, not just in navigation but in language learning as well. Remember, identifying these elements in language can make your learning process much smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!